We gave GPT-5 and Claude the same exact prompt. Build a Minecraft-style game from scratch using a prompt we generated using AI. One of them built something playable within minutes.
Oh, okay. It works. There we go.
And the other one got kind of weird.
Oh, what?
Oh, you fell right through the world? Oh my God, come
No.
on. It had one job.
Game over.
Warning. The following contains footage of what happens when two untrained professionals click buttons with zero training. We have no idea what we're doing.
I'm a product manager who likes to design things,
And I'm an engineer who likes to try new toys.
and we're going to try to learn AI together. So let's just see what Claude has. So we have the prompt here. It thought a little bit about the core features, so it's basically summarizing all of it. And then it says, click anywhere to start. Use your keyboard to move around. Left click to break. Right click to place. Okay. So I have to admit, I've not really played Minecraft, so bear with me if I
This will
do
be
some
your first
silly
time playing knockoff Minecraft.
stuff. Well, let's see if it's good enough. Uh-oh. Oh, it's kind of working.
Whoa.
I don't...
Yeah, it's super laggy, but I'm really impressed it was able to create a 3D world and you're jumping around. It's get to the top of the hill.
Yeah, I'm not able to use my mouse. But yeah, I can jump.
Ah, okay.
I can
That's
jump.
super cool though.
I don't
But
know.
yeah, the mouse controls kind of sad that didn't work.
Yeah, I wonder what's going on. So maybe we can just prompt it and say like the mouse controls are not working. I am not able to look around. Okay, it says I fixed the mouse controls. Main issues with pointer lock API, event handling, blah 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 blah. So okay, click anywhere on the screen. Okay, clicked. Okay, I've clicked it. No. Okay,
Doesn't work? Nothing?
now it's not even working.
Hmm.
Okay, you can see my mouse, right?
Yeah. Maybe it's because of the canvas? Not sure.
What if I published it?
Let's try it.
Let's try this. Click to start. Oh, it's definitely not working now. Nope, I can't even move. This is like
Not even
actually
the
gone
keyboard?
backwards. Yeah, because I can't
Uh-oh.
I can't even do anything. Let's go back.
Broke it even more.
This broke it even more. I can't use a mouse or keyboard.
You're right. I overcomplicated it.
Okay, remove all the complex cross browser. So it did something and it made it super complex, and now it's going back to the normal. Okay, remove the problematic. Okay, now click directly on the 3D game area. Okay, the keyboard now works. The mouse doesn't work still. Huh. Let's try publishing it again. Nope. Just still not working. Huh.
Oh man.
Okay. Is there anything that you... Well, I guess there's... No, I can't test anything. Because left click, right click.
Yeah, what about the 1, 2, 3? Apparently can
1, 2, 3
pick
works.
different blocks.
1, 2, 3
Okay,
works.
what about like right click and left click?
No, the clicks don't work.
So all the mouse controls don't work.
Okay, let's see how... Yeah, let's try to get it to work. Because I think... I just want to see what is the true functionality once it figures it out. Okay, it looks like it completely rewrote everything. Clear start. Click to start. Okay, so there's a pull button now. So click this. Oh, okay. It works. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right. Okay, here we go.
Let's break some blocks.
Yeah. Yep. Let's break stuff. I guess you have to click. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now change your block type and try to add some stuff.
Place block. Uh-oh. I don't think that part's working. That part's not working.
Huh. Well, at least the mouse works and the break works so far.
Yeah, I mean it's still pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's like your own little sandbox now. You can build your own castle.
Yeah. Uh,
Well, I guess destroy it, not really build it. You have to carve out your castle since you can't place any blocks.
let's jump over to ChatGPT. So let's see what it did. So we got it to... It did it. It made something. Now we just click run code. Whoa, okay. Oh, there's already
Very
a bug.
different look.
There's a bug, so probably should fix it first.
Yeah, I think the rendering is broken. There's no world behind it, and I can see the mouse like hovering over the Minecraft prompt, and that one doesn't work. So the first try it definitely doesn't work. But let's see what happens on the second try.
Okay, it looks like it's done. That took a long time though, but I also realized this whole window is messed up. Do you see that scroll thing? Like it's like cut off right there. Oh man.
Oh well. Uh, it's still in beta, I guess.
No, it's not. It's not in beta.
5 generations later.
No, it's not in beta. But okay, so I mean, there's something here. So let's try it out. So click to lock the mouse in play. WASD, space is jump, mouse is look, left click break. So same controls.
Yeah.
Cannot preview your code. We spent all this time working on this bug.
There's another bug.
Like,
I mean, man, we just got the world to work too, and we still can't play it.
let's try to fix it
Oh
again.
my God. 10 minutes later. Here we go. Thinking longer for a better answer. Oh my God. Longer than the previous one?
You know what they say? Think longer, better answer. I don't know. That's terrible.
Think longer, get more wronger.
More problems, more tokens. I guess. More tokens, more problems.
AI. Yeah.
More tokens, more problems. Okay, looks like it's done. This is the last chance I'm giving ChatGPT. After this, we're not gonna ask it to fix the bug. So I'm hoping that this is the old message. I'm gonna click out of this. I'm gonna click start.
Let's do it.
Oh, what?
Oh, you fell right through the world? Oh my God. Come
No.
on. It had one job.
Game over. Game
God.
over. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it for ChatGPT. And so now let's compare and contrast. So first, let's talk about Claude. So things about Claude that I noticed. One, it was super quick to get to a working version of this, and we were able to see what it looked like really quickly. It did have the bug around the mouse movement not working, and it took us a few tries. But the keyboard and the this reminds me of those like TikTok shorts where it's like a Minecraft video in the background.
Tell me a life story while you play.
I once was camping with my friend, and there was a big black bear that sat with us and wanted marshmallows. The black bear was my friend. But the keyboard controls worked. 1, 2, 3 works, and then eventually we got it to work where you can click, at least left click, but not right click. So it wasn't perfect out the gate, but I would say like visually it got to a solution really fast, and we could iterate on it really fast. And I think also just like it's just the visuals are just good enough. I mean, it works for what we wanted it to do. So that's my thoughts. What about you?
Yeah, I was extremely impressed by the speed. Like, just, the physics as have already worked. It dropped you from midair into the ground. You didn't go through the ground like ChatGPT did, but it was really cool that you were able to like hop around, and it only took a couple prompts to fix the mouse problem. And obviously, there's still more, but for what we got with such little time and such little guidance, I thought it was really impressive that I was able to recreate this game in a browser with, it looks just like, Minecraft. I do believe the mechanics could get even closer if we spent a little bit more time with this. So yeah, I'm really impressed with Claude overall.
Okay, now let's take a look at ChatGPT. What can we say about ChatGPT? So I will start and say it failed. Like it failed completely, because it took such a long time just to get to a version that we could actually play around with. And let's keep in mind, like this is GPT-5, so it might have been using like the thinking or the reasoning model behind it. Whereas for Claude, we were using just Sonnet, so like the basic model. So you would have thought that it would have gotten a better version or better output of it. And then after we got the working prototype or working version of it, it just failed. And all we did was click fix bug, fix bug, fix bug, and to the point where we still can't get it to work. And so it's pretty disappointing, I'd say, overall.
Yeah, I was less impressed with ChatGPT 5 for sure. I had more hopes because it is their flagship model. It does have more thinking, and it did think quite a long time, and maybe even frustrating too long, in my opinion. Especially if Claude could execute that a lot faster. You would think that when it's thinking for a really long time, there would be less bugs, or it would be more impressive, and maybe it would have, but I think if somebody were trying to recreate this game or any kind of game with GPT-5, they would have more frustration uh, uh, than with like Claude Sonnet 4, which seems to be a lot more enjoyable. You could actually iterate off of it. Things are less buggier, and you don't have to wait as long as GPT-5. So mm, I I'm sad that GPT-5 did not pass this test. I would have thought it would have done at least at the bar of Sonnet 4, which is an older model and not as a flagship from Claude. So yeah, it's disappointing. I expected a lot more from GPT-5, but even the bare minimum of getting it at the same bar as Claude 4, it just even the Sonnet model just didn't work out so well.
Yep. For this round, Claude wins.
We're just a PM and an engineer trying to figure out AI. If you're on the same path, subscribe and learn with us.